everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another episode of Driving with John Chow. Right now, I'm on my way to a .com lunch. I'm going to a new restaurant called Jen Korean Barbecue. This is an Asian-style restaurant where I will have to pay to cook my own food. Yeah, anyway, I'll have a video on that, so you'll check it out and you'll see what that all means. Anyway, today I want to answer a common reader email that I get, and this is it possible to make money online if I have no money? Like, I have zero to start, and can you give me an example of someone who has actually done that? Because everyone can say you can make money online with no money, but when I ask for proof, they provide nothing. So, yeah. Anyway, so the answer to that question is yes, it is possible. And yes, I do have an example or a case study of someone who has actually done it. Now, I have to qualify that. When you say you have no money, I'm assuming you have certain items you're gonna need already that you have in your possession. Because let's just face it, if you have no money, you wouldn't ask me that question, because you wouldn't be able to go online to ask me that question, because you wouldn't be able to pay your internet bill. All right, so like, I'm gonna assume a couple of things. You have access to the internet. All right, so that won't account for the costs of your startup costs. Now, as for a natural example of someone who actually have made money online with absolutely no money, the answer is, or the case study is, me. Yeah, I have actually done this. Now, and my proof is basically this YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel with zero money because YouTube doesn't cost anything to set up an account. They don't charge you for it. So I have a place to upload my video, and there's a place for you to watch these videos. And how I make money from it is, well, YouTube shows those YouTube ads and those advertising. I make money from that. I make money from referring people to affiliate product. Those links below this video that shows all the link to Amazon, all my product that I use to make these videos. If you buy from those links, I make some money, and I refer people to my own product. I also get sponsored, like so sometimes you will see me wear a different company T-shirt. I get paid to wear those T-shirts on these videos. So that's exactly how I made those money. And in all the time I had my YouTube channel, I guess like we're approaching, I don't know, I started my YouTube channel maybe like a few months after YouTube started. So in all this time, I have spent a total of $0 promoting it. Like nothing. I didn't spend, unlike my blog, where I actually spent money to promote it. I actually bought advertising. I actually used multiple ways of promoting it, and I spent, and of course the design of the blog, the last redesign was over $10,000. So that's how much it cost me to redesign the blog. The YouTube channel, zero. I can honestly say nothing was spent to set it up. Nothing was spent to promote it. Now, you can say that, wait a minute, John, how about this? And how about how about this? This is $5,000 camera right here, $3,000, $2,000 for the lens. Yeah, $5,000. How about all of that? You can't say you didn't spend any money. And true, but when I first started, it was just my phone. I used my phone to make the videos. All right. Now I'm gonna assume you already have a phone, so I don't consider that part of the startup cost. If you don't have a phone, I mean, odds are you're not online. Okay, so that's my phone, making videos, uploading it to YouTube, and did that on a consistent basis. And today the channel has over 50,000 subscribers, and it makes about $1,000 a month from the YouTube ads, and it makes money from those affiliate links, makes money from referring to my account. It's now making a full-time income just on YouTube alone. But keep in mind, this took like years and years to do because well, I just depended on, it was started for fun, and I wasn't planning to make money on it, and I actually did promote it as heavily as I did for my blog. That's why the blog makes way more money than my YouTube channel, because I actually did promote it more heavily and actually invested money into it, whereas the YouTube channel, I didn't. But the key thing is I stuck with it long enough that it built up a readership or viewership in this case. I stuck about long enough to build a viewership, and now it makes full-time income. What a lot of people consider working full-time income with just posting a video a day, pretty much. That's about it. A video a day. And so can you make money in life with no money? Yes. The answer is totally yes. I'm living proof that you can do it. Now, it is easier. No lie. It is easier if you have money. If you have money to start, then you can definitely use better equipment, right? You can use better equipment. You can spend money on promotion. You can do marketing. You can do a whole bunch of stuff that will grow your channel or grow your online business a lot faster. But it is possible to do it with no money. Like, I didn't buy all this stuff. All this stuff that you see here, all this equipment, even this car that I use to do this driving video, these are all paid for with profits made from the internet business. Like, it wasn't part of my startup cost. I reinvested my money back into my business to grow it. Right? So that's the best way to build a business, because, I always find it one of the the biggest advantage of an internet marketing business is low startup costs. I mean, compared to starting up a regular bricks and mortars business, I mean, we're talking 6 figures, 7 figures, and sometimes more. I mean, compared to that, an internet business, you can start with, if a YouTube channel, zero. If you're starting with a blog, a domain name, web hosting, Aweber, email list, less than $1,000. I mean, honestly, less than $1,000. And if you don't have, it's an impulse purchase. I mean, that's $1,000. It's an iPhone. It costs, an iPhone. Right. So less than $1,000, you could have a business that could potentially make you millions. Right? You compare that to a bricks and mortars business. Oh, right? Like, there's no. So that's one reason I got into online marketing, simply because of the low startup cost. That's its biggest advantage. And then you can because your startup cost is so low, you don't need to make that much money to be in the black. And once you're in the black, you reinvest and you reinvest your money and you build it and you grow it. All right. So here's my strategy, and this is something that people's going to charge you. Google will charge you $2,000. Here's the secret. Here's my strategy to do this with no money. All right. Start a YouTube channel. Pick a niche that is in demand, that has good search volume, that you are interested in. It must be a key. Because if you're not interested in it, you're not going to stick with it long enough to build an audience, and you'll quit. All right. So pick a niche that has good search volume, that pays well, and that you like, that you enjoy vlogging about, you enjoy doing videos about. That's a key right there. All right. Then what you do is do some keyword research, find out what people are searching for in that niche. Find out what people search, and then make videos that have those keywords in it, like those search phrases. I use a service called Longtail Pro. So Longtail Pro, let's just say colorway golf as an example. And so you type in the search word golf, and then you'll find what people are searching for under the term golf. That's the phrases, and make videos along those phrases. And the cool thing about this software, it will tell you how many times a month people are searching for this. So what you want is phrases that have decent search volume, around a couple of thousand to 5,000 searches a month. You don't want like millions, because you can't compete against that. Like, if you just choose golf, you're never going to rank for golf. It's not possible. You're not going to beat golf.com or whatever the big media companies are. But a phrases that only has a couple of thousand, so several thousand searches per month, that has decent search volume but low competition. Make videos with that title on there, talk about that, and then what will happen is that you will, because there's a couple of thousand searches a month, because there's not that much competition, you will rank when people search for that. So people who search for that, you would rank on the front page, and that will give you your search, that will give you your traffic, and you'll make money with the YouTube ads. And then but the way to make money, the real way to make money is to find an affiliate product that you can promote on that. And my best example is one of the video I did on how I made a paperless office. See, my office at home is no paper. I use a Fujitsu text ScanSnap scanner. I scan my documents, and it goes into the clouds, into Evernote, and I have access to all my documents anywhere in the world. It's on my phone. It's on everywhere. And then after I scan it, I just put it through the shredder, and I recycle the document. So I did a video on that with Sally, and showing how I create a paperless office using the ScanSnap scanner. And Sally actually did the scanning. It's so easy. It's so easy. Even a kid can do it. And that was the whole theme. Right? And the key to making money with that is like that the video makes money from the YouTube ad, but the key to make money from that is that I link to where you can buy the scanner on Amazon. Right? And it's $250 scanner. It pays. I think I make a $50 commission when I sell the scanner. Right? So here's how it worked. If you search for paperless office on YouTube, that video is #1. And approximately 4,000 people a month search for paperless office. And because my video is #1, I get half the traffic. So every month, YouTube sends 2,000 people to watch that video every single month. And after 2,000 people that watch every single month, I will sell about 10 to 20 scanners a month. 10 to 20 scanners a month. And actually, I made a mistake. I believe the commission is $225. Yes, 10%, $25. The scanner sells for $250, 10% commission. So I make $250 every time I sell a scanner. So every month, out of the 2,000 people that YouTube sends, I would sell about 10 to 20. So this one video alone is making me $250 to $500 a month, plus the $10 to $15 on the YouTube ad. So I have this one video making about $250 to $500 a month for the last 7 years, because I made this video 7 years ago, and it's still getting traffic today. All right? So one video, let's just stick with the low side. This one video is making me $250 every single month. Every single month, because it's ranked #1. Right? So you have 10 of those videos, you're suddenly making $2,500 a month. You have 100 of those type of videos, you're now making $25,000 a month. Right? Do you see the power here? And this is passive income. This video has been making me money for a long, long time, and it's all because I do some research, find out what people are searching for. You want decent volume with low competition, and a service like Longtail Pro will tell you the search volume and how much competition it is. Do videos with that exact same phrase, make videos on that, make different versions of that, upload to YouTube, and then slowly build it up. Watch the traffic. Like I said, you will start to get traffic because people were searching for that, and because there's no competition, you'll be ranked. And that's how I built my blogging business. That's how I built my YouTube business. This is the secret. This is the secret sauce right there, guys. I mean, and I just give it to you for free. All right, I should. Well, whatever. You know, you deliver value. People like you. They like that. They know you. They can know you, and they trust you. Right. So just by giving that little secret there, give me a thumbs up for that. All right, just give me a thumbs up. And if you're brand new here, subscribe to my channel, because this is what I do. I give tips on how to make money online with no money. I'm living proof that it can be done, and you can do it if you follow what I just laid out, and if you stick to it and never give up. Too many people, because like that, I've been doing this for like that. In my blog, first 8 months, I made $0. YouTube channel, same thing. First year, a couple of years, it made nothing. It made nothing. It made nothing. But you stick with it. You don't quit. Follow that formula I give about doing that, and you will make money on this, and you'll prove everybody wrong. Okay. All right. That's it. It's now raining like mad. Wow. California driving. Oh, one last thing I want to say. The cool thing about this Tesla is this windshield. This windshield goes all the way back to the back of my head, but it's so stiffly racked that if I keep it above 65 miles an hour, which I'm not doing right now because everyone drives like so slow, it will actually, I don't need to use the wipers. It will actually like blow the water off. But since I'm only going 50, I have to turn it back on. So, oh wow. Yeah, California drivers can't drive in the rain. Come on. John J with JohnJ.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, And I'll see you guys on the next episode.